Could the most diminutive drone in DJI's product catalog genuinely rival legacy? Full-size quadcopters? Is it possible for a palm-constrained flying camera to pack broadcast-tier color pipelines, extended air endurance, and intelligent safeguards while retaining absolute beginner accessibility? This exact speculation drives unprecedented conversations across global tech forums regarding the rumored DJI Neo 3. With prototype leaks and supply chain intelligence pointing to a late 2026 commercial rollout, this pocket-sized aircraft stands as a prime candidate for the year's most disruptive consumer hardware launch. Past iterations focused primarily on bare-bones simplicity for quick social media loops, whereas leaked specifications indicate the Neo 3 targets the format's historic structural weakness, optical sensor geometry. Shifting away from restrictive legacy sensors, the platform adopts a substantially larger optical architecture. This expanded surface area intakes exponential increases in ambient illumination, fundamentally transforming twilight operation, subduing night-shot noise floors, and maximizing tonal range for high-contrast environments. The inclusion of 10-bit D-Log-M color mapping provides creators with deep per-frame color palettes, advanced grading headroom, and fluid color matching capability alongside high-end professional cinema rigs. Enhanced high dynamic range processing ensures short-form compositions immediately stand out on feeds like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Micro quadcopters have continually battled severe endurance limitations due to physical sizing constraints. Nevertheless, preliminary technical leaks suggest the Neo 3 can achieve an impressive 24-minute maximum flight window per cell. For a device built around palm-scale dimensions, this leap, achieved via refined motor architecture and algorithmic power regulation, diminishes battery anxiety, expands location scouting freedom, and secures ample time to capture complex sequences. Operational safety and telemetry links undergo heavy architectural upgrades, bypassing traditional directional blind spots. Early design indicators point toward a comprehensive multi-angle sensor configuration, making autonomous tracking algorithms and indoor navigation vastly more secure for novice pilots. Simultaneously, the implementation of O4+ video transmission protocols delivers a stable link stretching up to 10 kilometers under open-air conditions, maintaining a resilient live feed with negligible packet loss. While competitive manufacturers push hard into automated lightweight flight options, DJI maintains a dominant operational mode. The mature software environment, proven app stability, sophisticated trajectory mathematics, and extended firmware support cycles make it difficult for rival hardware to replicate the overall experience. If the DJI Neo 3 debuts equipped with an expanded sensor footprint, 10-bit color pipelines, intelligent proximity avoidance, and prolonged battery life without inflating retail costs, it transcends the toy classification entirely. It solidifies its role as a high-capacity production instrument housed inside a micro-chassis. Success ultimately depends on retail positioning, but if DJI hits the target, it stands to define the beginner drone category for 2026. Which upcoming hardware adjustment inspires your interest the most? Leave your analysis in the section below. Ensure you like and subscribe, and look for the next technical breakdown.